Welcome to Timu.ca for the OVA. This is a quick tutorial on how the tournament directors can create an OVA tournament. So let's get started. First off, we need to click and launch the OVA Tourney app. Now you'll notice at the bottom of the screen there's a Create a Tournament icon. Clicking that will launch you into creating a tournament. If it does not exist, please visit the YouTube channel and watch the Tournament Director web app login video to learn how to do that. All right, so let's create a tournament by clicking the button. Now you'll notice you'll come to a page with numerous drop-down fields as well as some input boxes. What we're going to do is we're going to use the document that the Youth Competitions Lead has sent you from the OVA. So what we're going to do is all this information will be on that document. So we'll start by selecting your host club. We'll just use some sample data today. In the host contact, this is where you put your email address in. For the tournament date, pretty straightforward. We're just going to enter the date. For the venue, there's a list of, in the drop-down, there's a list of the majority of the OVA venues that have been selected. You can choose one from this list. If one does not exist that you're going to be playing at, scroll all the way to the bottom and there's an other category. Select that. A little window will pop up giving you the option to search for the venue. So let's just search for something. So Malvern CI, we'll say it's in Toronto. You do not need to put a city in. You can just type it in, leave that blank. Once you click search, a little drop-down box will come up with the different options based on what you just searched for. There's Malvern Collegiate, done, and then it will populate into the venue. As far as tournament info, this is the information that is specific to your venue, such as you're not allowed to use crock pots, please park in the back, no winter shoes or boots in the gyms. This is where you can put anything that's specific to your tournament. So you can cut and paste if you like, or you can type it in manually. Once that is complete, the division it is from 11U all the way to 18U on the boys and the girls. We're just going to select 14U girls as our sample today. For tournament, the tournament name, Provincial Cup, Fall Challenge, Challenge Cup, etc. We'll do the Fall Challenge today. As far as the tournament tier, that will be the level of volleyball that you're playing. We'll select Championship D for today. And then the format. The format is, 8 teams, the 2 pools of 4, 9, the 3 of 3, 10, whichever it is. We'll use the 9 team today as that's a very common format. Once all those drop downs have been completed and selected, it will prompt you to create a password for this particular tournament. This is a unique password that is only for your tournament. So today we'll use the sample of volleyball. And this is something that you will create, and you need to remember this if you want to pass this on to any helpers that are going to be entering scores for you. So that's done. We click done, click create. Thank you very much for watching part 1 of how to create an OVA tournament. Please watch part 2 in the playlist.